Hello everyone, myself Dr. Arun Kumar Gupta, Director Uma Prem Netralaya. This is the case of traumatic LASIK flap dislocation. Patient having severe pain, intractable watering and visual disturbances. We see a patient on OPD and immediately put this patient in my OR, and after thorough wash I relift the flap and gentle wash is done on stromal bed and flap also. Generally we do this type of procedure under dilated pupil because in dilated pupil in retroillumination the visualization is very better. There is some epithelial growth at the flap edge. We remove it with help of Tux knife and gentle removal with sponge. After removal of epithelial growth at edge margin, and we remove the debris beneath the flap also. We gentle wash the stromal bed and clean the stromal bed and repositate the flap again. After repositioning of flap, we see there is macrostriae across the cornea. This is very high myopia case having the traumatic dislocation. After drying the flap, we see there is a macrostriae. It will cause the visual disturbances in future for the patient. We make severe stroke for flattening the stria. Finally, if stria is not gone after my all effort, then I decided to debride the epithelium. Unfortunately, on that day in my OR there is no alcohol, so we put xylocaine injection as in topical form over the cornea, and gently we debride the epithelium. Because flap is 90 micron, this is very thin flap, so we cautiously debride the epithelium while doing such procedure. After partial debridement, we see the stria is gone, central part is very clear. In periphery part we don't scrape out all the epithelium and we put the BCL and see this is very clear cornea in center. In day 1 post-operative phase, the patient having vision of 6/18, some staining, and day 7 BCL was removed with vision 6/6. Thanks for watching.